What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Mewn Trading. Looking at my page here, it has been a while. It has been a solid month. Also, I need more thumbnails. That's one thing I've noticed here. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome to the Degenerate family. Boy, what a shitty month it's been. Am I right? Holy Christ! Just nothing but chop, nothing but sideways action. What we're gonna do, we're gonna break down the Bitcoin price here. We're gonna have a little looky look, see what I think. We're gonna go over some of my bots, which, spoiler alert, not been doing great this month. So let's get right into it. Thank you all for coming here. First of all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It's gonna be a really busy week. I'm gonna be making a video every day, every other day. I'm off next week from work, so I'm gonna get back into this and take advantage of everybody leaving crypto because I got a feeling everybody's left. Like, look at this, we've just gone sideways, just nothing but up and down. We're on the 4 hour chart right now. Like any move that's made has just been completely retraced. We pump, we dump, we pump, we dump. Like even these moves here is just nothing but BARTs, nothing but up and down. And for bots, oh my god. I was just looking at my Bitcoin ones over the past like 2 weeks, especially. Like, try to find a win. Oh, if this one doesn't want to load, that's cool. Great time to not work. Oh look, a win! Holy shit, we had one win, but it's taking like one trade a week. Like all of these are just getting absolutely destroyed. Um, Okay, this one's taking too long. I want to show this one because this used to be my favorite one. It's taken 5 losses in a row. So, like, it's not looking too good. Um, Look at this Rune one. This one is like a 280,000% profit over like the last 3 years. And even this one, like I started it where this line is. I've had 3 losses in a row, right? So the bots are kind of getting chopped out here too, just like everybody. But whatever, let's zoom in. No emotion. Let's look at Bitcoin right now. Let's look what we're doing. So, as you might have seen on other channels, because I've watched 2 videos this morning and they all mention the same freaking thing, we're going to bring up a clean chart here. And that is this ascending triangle pattern here. All right. So you got your upward trend, your upper resistance here. Now the problem with these kind of triangles and these kind of trading patterns is it's retail. It's retail pattern. Like most amateur traders see this, right? So if you're a market maker, what are you going to do? You're going to go, we're breaking up, wreck everybody, right? So that's kind of worrisome for me because if you're controlling the markets, you're gonna try to screw as many people as possible. In saying that, we're still in an overall uptrend. I mean, maybe not on the daily. A daily actually is making lower highs and lower lows, but you could say this is like a megaphone pattern, right? And this is a bullish pattern. So you can look at it like that as well. Actually, I'm gonna go on the weekly. I haven't looked at the weekly in a while here. I think we're still in a bull. We're still in a bull market. I mean, you could say this is a. You could even say this is a bull flag, right? On the weekly, something like this. And this is your flag. And I'm not doing proper measurements here, but let's just say it breaks out from there. So you could say your target's like 150,000. So I think on the higher time frames, it's still bullish. The daily doesn't look too great, but like I said, it could just be consolidating here, which is kind of, well, it's not could be. It is consolidating here. But anyways, you look at this pattern here. And everybody and their mom is going to be like, okay, we're going to break out. We're going to break out. Now, if that happens, it's going to be a big move because we've been sideways and ranging down for a while now. So it will be a big move. If we look at, if we look at liquidity here, this is just a YouTube channel. I don't pay for this stuff. Like there is some liquidity down below, 50, what's this, probably 57K. But on the higher time frames, like there's nothing. We've taken it all out with that big dump down to 49, right? But there is a ton of fucking liquidity around 70,000, 73,000. There's like $4 billion, $5 billion of liquidations up there. So there's more liquidations to the upside. The funding rate is negative. I think we're primed for a move up. And so you got to think to yourself, okay, I know what you're saying. I know what you're thinking. It's like, oh, he's saying 50-50, like market maker is going to pump up and then fake us out. It could be the real deal, though. It could be the real deal. And then you got to think to yourself, okay, so where are some targets, right? And that's where this puppy comes in. That's where line central comes in. So first things first, I notice is this line right here. This is the 50-day moving average. And as you can see, we broke it with a huge volume vector, right? It was support. We broke it, come back, tested as a resistance, and we've just been struggling ever since for like 2 weeks, right? We tested, and even today we hit it, but we got rejected. This value area, I'm not sure how accurate this is because it's from such a large time frame, but take it for what it is. We are above the value area low. We tested it as support just today. So if this breaks out, you got to ask yourself, where's the next target? So my first line in the sand here is this 50-day moving average, right? If we break above that and hold it as support, my very next target is this monthly here at about 64,500. Okay, and simply put, go on the monthly chart, and that's the close of this candle previous, and I guess the open of this month's candle, right? That would be my first major area of resistance. And I'm currently in longs. I did happen to get a nice little long down here around 53K. And I've taken some profits and I've compounded it, but that's my first take profit there. My full like big take profit be about 64,500, and then maybe fill this vector on this daily candle. But I'd expect to hit this in a pretty volatile move. Like we're talking, if we break that with volume, I'm thinking like we could get a 5% candle here, right? And then you ladder up. You look at the point of control and whatnot. Obviously, we get to this upper range here. Sky's the limit. We break all-time highs and we go to the moon, boys. But that's what I'm looking at right now. To the downside, we do have a bunch of support here. We got the 200 daily moving average, which we're above right now, so that's bullish. But we do have that as support right now at around 59.4, 59.3. Okay, and we have some levels down here. Worst case scenario is we come down and we take out this wick. I can't see that happening. We're pretty far away from there now, but anything's possible. But I think I think more liquidity is the upside, so that's what I'm looking at. Anyways, guys, that's it. Bitcoin could go up or down. That's my analysis. Thanks for thanks for wasting your time to hear that, but I'm pretty sure we're bullish. And listen, at the end of the day, you got to think long term, right? Every week I buy Bitcoin. I don't care what the price is. Buy a little bit. Even if you suck at trading and you're losing, don't trade. Just buy as much as you can and just wait, because in 10 years from now we're all gonna be laughing. This shit right here is gonna look like nothing, right, when Bitcoin's at like $300,000, $400,000. Okay, it's only a matter of time. Just be patient. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tick the little bell. I love you all, and may the charts be with you. That was cringe as fuck, but I don't care. I'm gonna leave it in. Ciao.